Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to show you some websites exclusively. In these websites, almost all animations are related to intermediate level, or you can say 10 plus 2. So these websites are very much useful for 10 plus 2 level students, or the faculty who want to teach for the intermediate students may helpful these websites. So I'll show you the websites. So okay, so the first website is, yeah, the links I will also provide in this the description section. So this is the website, so physics simulation website. So just go to the HTML5 simulations. So see here, you can see the index. So if you could see the index, you will be able to understand that these are all especially for intermediate students or basic physics students. So see here, so this is motion in one dimension related animations. So this is motion in two dimension related animation. For example, if you want to explain the projectile motion, you can just click on a projectile motion. So this is the projectile motion animation. You can just click on play. So see, so that is how a projected object is moving. So this is the graph, displacement versus time. This is the graph, displacement versus the vertical displacement versus horizontal displacement. And these are the components. The green and red components are the velocity vectors. So see here, at the maximum height there is no vertical component, only horizontal component is available. So that is the thing, the best thing that we could able to explain to the students more effectively how the projectile motion is. So this is in motion in two dimensional. And if you want to go to the forces, so for example force and motion, so see, you can play this animation. So what is happening? Okay, so here if I increase the force, so what, see what is happening. So see here, if what is happening, if I increase the force, so the body is accelerating. So how much force is I am applying, so how the body is accelerating here they are showing. So this is a very again a very beautiful website. So yeah, and for example, if you want to explain a circular motion, you can just click on a circular motion, you can just click on a play. So this is circular motion. So you can increase the speed, you can increase the radius, you can, yeah. So this is how a circular motion. And for example, if you want to explain about a harmonic motion, so this is harmonic motion related objects, the animations. You can play the animations with a graphical explanation. So that is a very beautiful thing about this website. And almost every intermediate related physics animations are available in this index. So this website is specially designed for the students for 10 plus 2 level. So very beautiful website, and please make use of this website. For example, if you want to show how the transverse wave is, so as you all know, the definition of the transverse and the longitudinal waves is a little difficult and little confused also. So that these two waves you can easily understood by using this animation. So see here, this is a transverse wave and this is a longitudinal wave. And you can change the variations also, you can change the frequencies here. The parameters also you can vary and you can show that to the students. So for example, beats, let us come to beats. So see here, this is the beats. So you can change the frequency also. So this is how a beats will produce when the two waves are interference. So next, the Doppler effect. So see, this is a Doppler effect. So when the sound wave is produced and the observer is at rest, if both are at rest, so this is at both are at rest, you can change the speed. So source position, observer velocity. So in a single animation you can explain the entire Doppler effect. So as you all know, there are some four concepts are available in the Doppler effect. Those are four concepts you can explain here very effectively. So for example, you can move the observer. So see, so now the observer is moving. So this is what is the frequency is reaching to the observer. This is a standard frequency. When the observer moved to the source side, so see, so the apparent frequency is increased. So this is the Doppler effect. So if you want to explain an electron, electric field, so these are all. So what I want to say finally, almost every animation which are related to the intermediate 10+1 and 10+2, which means 11th standard and 12th standard, almost every animation is available here with a simple click, and no need to install any additional add-ons, no need to pay single rupee also. So, and why I am saying, because the learning with the animation will be much more effective than reading in a book. I am not saying completely avoid the books, but the learning with an animation, the learning, so using a book with an animation, it is the most effective way of teaching or the learning. So please make use of these animations. So almost every animation is available here. So this is one of the very important website for the intermediate students. So the similar websites also available. I will show you one more similar website. This is also a similar website, the same for the intermediate students, 10+2 level students. So here also almost every animation is available here, but there the index is very easy to access, but here the index is they have divided into the lessons. For example, if you want to go with for example electromagnetism, so you can just click on EM, electromagnetism. So these are all the animations. So for example, Coulomb's law, so I will show you. So charged particle in the electric field, as you know, so how the charged particle will move in an electric field. So that is this animation. Yeah, it is loading. So it will take a little time to load actually. So when compared to the previous website, this website will take much more time to load. So yeah, you can just click on run. So see, the electron is entering into the field. Up to the entering into the field, the path of the electron is linear, but once it is entered into the field, it is deviating into the other side. So why it is deviating to the other side? That is the explanation, as you all know. So for example, if the electric field is, let me say, the downside, then what will happen? Let us see. So it should deflect to the downside. So see, that is the reflection. So very effective animation, this one, and you can change the components here very effectively, and you can change the component and you can observe. So charge of the particle you can change, and initial velocity also you can change. So what will happen when you are when you are varying an initial velocity? So what is happening? More the charge and more the initial velocity, so the radius is less. So that is the thing. So this is all about the website. So almost every intermediate level concepts is available. So see, here these are the index. So just go to all the, if you are teaching to the intermediate students, you can go to this website. If you have any doubt, you can contact me at any time. I will also give my contact number. So this is the second website, and I will show you one more website. Similar website, similar, all intermediate level animations are available. So here also this is the list. So little complicated to get the access for the animations. So for example, if you want the refraction of light, you can just click on refraction of light. So this is the refraction of light. So yeah, so this is C. So this is the refraction of light. So here you can change the refractive index. So you can change the first medium, for example water. So both are water. So what is happening? There is no refraction, only the light ray directly pass through. So this is the animation. So this is very nice, and this website is also very nice, but the index is giving some little downside in the website. You can access here. Almost all animations are also available here. All animations. So see, there are plenty number of animations are available here. So you can go through these animations and you can make use of it. Yeah, and the lastly, but not importantly, this is the website. Again, this is also for intermediate students, but this website, in this website, all intermediate level lab experiments are available in online. So see, almost every subject labs are available. I'll just show you physics labs. So almost all physics lab experiments are available here, and these are all the experiments were designed. So you will feel that you are doing experiment in the lab. So in nowadays situation, these type of online labs are very important. So you can access all. So these are all so class 12 experiments, and these are all class 11 experiments. So you can easily access all these experiments. You can just click on the experiment, whatever you want, and you can do the experiment. Yeah, just first go to the processor and go to the animation. Directly you can go to the animation and you can do the experiment here. If you have any doubt, you can go to the video, and the Viva questions are also available. So see here it is a video. Yeah, so they have given some video. You can go through this video for the better understanding of the animation. Okay, so this is all about this website. So where you will find all intermediate level physics experiments. Of course, the remaining subjects or labs also available, but this website is for experimental part. All the previous websites are theory animations are available, but in this website all experimental related animations are available. So finally, so the previously mentioned all 4 websites are very useful for intermediate students to learn as well as to teach, So you can make use of the websites and better understand the physics. The physics is a very beautiful subject. If you understood the subject, no need to be memorized. So better understand the subject. So good luck.